Hey everybody, we're the Crazy Cousins, and today we are going to be making slime, but we're going to be doing it blindfolded. Okay, so pick your scarf.
Wait, first of all, let's show the ingredients.
Oh yeah, let's show the ingredients. Okay, so we have some clear glue. We have 3 bottles of this.
This is full.
This is full, kind of full, overfull. We're using Tide detergent. Tide detergent.
And
mixing. We have 2 of those. 2 of bowls.
We are going to take some color on it.
Yes. We have some color, and then we have a little bit of water. So I've seen that they make slime with this, right? Okay. Should we get blindfolded? Okay, so first off, I have to start with the glue. You know what? No, I'm not even gonna tell anyone the ingredients. We're just gonna wing it. Oh, can you?
No. Oh my god.
Ready? Let's get started. Okay. Oh, I found it.
Wait, we have to make into
We're
different ones.
Making slime.
Yes, with right there to contain.
One for you.
Oh, okay. I can't see anything.
Okay.
Which one do I use?
Just use something.
Oh my god, I can see anything. Wait, what is the first ingredient?
Is this enough?
Are you cheating?
No, I swear.
Can I use that one?
Yeah, here.
Oh my god. What is the container?
There's glue on my hand. Wait, no, this is tied. Oh, I found
What do I know if this is enough?
This is the water. Where? My shrimps.
I can't see anything.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with this.
I kind of want to see, but I can't.
Okay.
What is the next ingredient?
Oh, there we go. I did it.
Oh.
What?
I almost pulled it.
Okay. Wait, I need the mix and smooth. Where is it?
Here, it's here right now.
Okay, no, you get that for yourself. You need to help yourself. It's my glasses.
Here, I found it.
No, you that's for you, I guess.
Alright, okay. So what are you doing?
I'm trying to find it. Okay, I'm just gonna mix.
Wait, where's the detergent?
I found it. Wait, was this yours?
Where's the detergent? I
can't find it.
Wait.
Okay.
Where's the detergent?
This is my glasses. I'm gonna put them on the chair. Wait, is that the chair?
I found it.
Where?
Okay, wait. Where's the container?
Oh my god.
How much do I need?
Like a little bit. Wait, you need to add the color. You know what? You can add the color. I found it.
I don't know if this is enough glue. Okay. Wait.
Gonna add more glue. I'm gonna add more glue.
I can't see anything.
I think this is the glue. I'm gonna wait. Is this the glue? Yeah, this is the glue.
Okay.
Oh,
How
why
much
can't
do I
I
have
open
to add
this?
of detergent?
There we go.
How much do I have to add of detergent?
Something.
Something?
Yes, and then I'm gonna add color. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is.
Is it falling? Is it falling? I don't know. Yes, it's falling.
I'm pretty sure this is purple.
I don't know.
Right?
What I'm
It's
doing.
purple?
I don't know what I'm
purple?
doing. I don't know.
Wait, it's not open. Do I have to open it? Yeah.
Wait, are you cheating?
No, I can feel it. It's not open.
There's something in my hand. Now what are I doing? What do I do?
You mix.
What's the spoon? Oh.
I don't know. Ah, there's something sticky on my shirt.
Ew. It feels like vomit.
Ew, say that. Okay. Wait, touch mine, so let's look. Ready?
Wait.
Touch it. Touch it.
Ew.
It feels really runny, right? Okay, if it feels like this, I'm gonna have to add more glue, and then I'm just gonna keep kneading until it feels right, and then if it doesn't feel right anymore, I'm just gonna add more glue. Mine feels like really runny and stringy.
I need to stop.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So let's feel it.
Oh my god.
It kind of feels like slime, right?
No,
Did you add color to yours?
I don't think so.
Add color! You need to add color, I think. to make it more challenging.
Wait, feel mine and tell me what it's missing.
Oh, just keep kneading. So let's just keep kneading a lot. Okay? Yeah. And then I think it's missing glue, but just keep kneading. Slime's feeling pretty good, but it's still kind of sticky.
Mine feels so slimy.
Let me see. Oh. So let's just keep kneading and kneading. I'm gonna help you. Guys, comment down below which one seems better so far. So you just have to keep kneading and kneading and kneading. That's what I did to my slime.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you
I knocked
doing?
something over.
What are you doing?
I don't know
Mine.
what
That's mine. That's mine. Stop.
No, there's your slime was on my hand.
That's
Your
my
slime-
hand. That's my hand.
I know.
Oh, you touched my sweater, man.
I don't know. I
What are you
can't.
doing? Okay, I think this is enough. You take this. Hey, come here.
Okay, so let's.
Can we take it off now?
No.
I need to see my creation.
Did you hear that? It was a fart from slime.
This is mine. I'm trying to show the camera.
This is mine. Do you like it?
Oh my god.
I have no clue what this looks like.
I don't. Come down.
No.
Why not?
No. Because I need to find the glitter. Can you help me find glitter, please?
I have no idea. Where is it?
I don't either. Help me. Okay.
Okay.
You found the glitter?
No.
This is water. This.
One eternity later.
Stop.
Sorry, Simba. Okay.
Oh no, what is this? What is this?
Wait for me. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done too.
Okay.
Ready? Set, go.
Oh god.
Oh god, no!
Wow. Wait. Look at this. Look at this.
I was there.
What is this?
Oh my god.
Oh my-
How does mine look?
Oh my god, please tell me I did. Oh my goodness. It looks like.
Oh, there's glitter all over my hands. Okay, this was. This was supposed to be clear, and I wanted it to look like that. Well, not like that, but since I was touching your slime to see how it feels like, I guess the purple got on your slime. But yeah, this is my slime. How does it look? It's beautiful.
Mine is sticky.
Dude. They were so
You
you
enjoyed
enjoyed
this
this messy video.
Please.
And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because we made slime and
Also,
mess.
please subscribe
share
and like.
and comment.
Thank you and
Bye.
bye.
Bye.